Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start on heat now. Place the clean, dry cast iron Dosa Tawa over medium flame and watch for a faint smoke. While it warms for 5-7 minutes, prepare 1 tablespoon high smoke oil and fold a paper towel over tongs. Once the tawa is evenly hot, pour a thin film of oil. Move quickly so the surface stays hot. This opens pores and displaces factory residue, which is why you avoid soap and cold water at this stage. You continue by applying a thin oil layer and letting it polymerize. Heat is the catalyst. Once the first coat spreads, move the tawa around the flame so temperature is steady. After 2-3 minutes, the oil will dull and bond. Make sure to wipe excess. Repeat this oil and heat cycle 3-4 times until the surface looks satiny and darkens slightly. This process builds the non-stick patina. If you see thick, sticky patches, reduce oil and raise heat. You finish by test cooking a small dosa. Pour batter and notice how it releases. This confirms seasoning. If sticking happens, heat the tawa, wipe with a little oil and perform 1 to 2 more thin seasoning cycles. That fixes weak spots. Once done, cool slightly, clean with hot water only, dry on low flame and apply a thin oil coat before storing. Troubleshooting tip: if rust appears, scrub to bare metal, dry thoroughly. Then repeat the full seasoning steps immediately to restore the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.